Hello friends, welcome to our channel, The Questions Point. In our channel, we will be providing the previous year questions of various SSC exams like CHSL, CGL, MTS and all. So here we will be having the 25 question series of MTS previous year frequently asked questions, and there are chances that these might be asked in the upcoming exam of MTS also. So let's start with the first question, and the first question is, who introduced Charbagh style of architecture in India? And the options are Mauryas, Rajput, Mughals, and Marathas. So the correct answer here is Mughals. So Mughals basically introduced the Charbagh style of architecture in India. In this type of architecture, building is generally placed in a quadrilateral in the center, and basically it is a form of gardening in which the garden is divided into four parts, which is char. And the second question is, which of the following is not a constitutional body? And the options are Finance Commission, Niti Aayog, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, and Election Commission. And the correct answer for this question is Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is not a constitutional body. Niti Aayog is a statutory body. It is not a constitutional body, it is a statutory body. Next question we have is, which of the following regions of northern plains is the most fertile? And the options are Khadar, Terai, Bhabar and Bhangar. And the correct answer for this is option number 1, that is Khadar. Khadar is the most fertile region of the northern plain. Next question we have is question number 4. Who invented penicillin? And the options are Galileo Galilei, Alexander Fleming, Evangelista Torricelli, Theodore H. Maiman. And the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming invented the penicillin in 1928. And the next question is, Broom and Groom book is co-authored by. So options are Salman Rushdie, Shashi Tharoor, Kiran Bedi, Narendra Modi. And the correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is Kiran Bedi. It is co-authored by Kiran Bedi along with Pawan Chaudhary. So basically it is written by Pawan Chaudhary and Kiran Bedi. Next question is question number 6. Which of the following scheme is described in the Union Budget 2019 and 20? And the options are Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandhan. And the correct answer for this question is option number 4, that is Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Yojana. So this is the scheme which is described in the Union Budget of 2019 and 20. And we have the next question. Bruni Surin, the Olympian athlete, belongs to which of the following countries? First is Spain, Austria, Mexico and Canada. So the correct answer for this question is option number 4, that is Canada. Bruni Surin belongs to the Canada. And next we have question number 8, which is, where is the Great Barrier Reef located? So Great Barrier Reef is located in Australia. Next question we have is the full form of INTACH. And the correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage. Next question we have is question number 10. Pak caves are situated in which state? And the options are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka or Assam. And the correct answer for this question is option number 1. So generally Pak caves are situated in Madhya Pradesh. Next question we have is, Qatar Nia Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in which state? And the options we have are Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh or Bihar. So the correct answer for this question is Uttar Pradesh. So the Qatar Nia Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the Bahraich district. It is located in Bahraich district of Uttar Pradesh. Next question we have is question number 12. Who is the author of the book The Bachelor of Arts? And the option we have are Ruskin Bond, R.K. Narayan, Rudyard Kipling and Vikram Seth. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is the author of the book The Bachelor of Arts. Next question we have is question number 13. The High Court of Kerala and Lakshadweep is situated at, And the correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is Ernakulam. The High Court of Kerala and Lakshadweep is situated in Ernakulam district. Next question we have is question number 14, which is which of the following countries was the earliest to give women the right to vote? And the options we have are Australia, France, UK, co-founder of e-commerce store, or USA. And the correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is Australia. Australia is the country which gave the women the right to vote the earliest, means the women were allowed to vote since 1902. And next we have is question number 15. Here this question, co-founder of Flipkart is asked, and the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Binny Bansal is the co-founder of Flipkart along with Sachin Bansal. In 2007, Binny Bansal and Sachin Bansal co-founded the Flipkart. Next question we have is question number 16, which is Swedish Risk Bank's prize in economic sciences is awarded every year in the memory of John Keynes, Karl Marx, Alfred Nobel, Adam Smith. And the correct answer for this question is option number 3. It is given in memory of Alfred Nobel. In 1968 it was started. It is given since 1968. Next question we have is the subject of sport comes under which list of union constitution? And the option we have are union list, state list, residuary list, or concurrent list. And the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is state list. Subject of sport is mentioned in state list, that is state has the authority to intervene in the topic of sports. Next question we have is question number 18. Subhash Chandra Bose was elected president of Haripura Congress session in which year? And the option we have 1938, 1942, 1936 and 1940. And the correct answer for this question is 1938. Subhash Chandra Bose was president in Haripura session which was conducted in the year 1938. Next question we have is question number 19. We have to arrange the hills according to their location from north to south. And the hills name are Nalamala Hills, Shevaroy Hills, Palakonda Hills and Javadi Hills. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3. First of all, we have the Nalamala Hills in the northern part, then comes the Palakonda Hills, then comes the Javadi Hills, and then we have Shevaroy Hills. That is, this will be our first, this will be second, and this will be third, and this will be our fourth from north to south. We are arranging them from north to south order. Then we have question number 20, that is who is the chairman of National Commission of Population Control? And the options we have are Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, President, Secretary of Concerned Department, or the Prime Minister. And the correct answer for this question is option number 4, that is Prime Minister. So the Prime Minister is the chairman for National Commission of Population Control. Next question we have is question number 21. Which of the following passes are not correctly matched with their location? And the options we have Jojela Pass, Jammu Kashmir, Mana Pass, Uttarakhand, Shipkila Pass, Arunachal Pradesh, and Nathula Pass is Sikkim. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is Shipkila Pass and Arunachal Pradesh. Shipkila Pass is located in Kinnoor district of Himachal Pradesh, not in Arunachal Pradesh. It is in Himachal Pradesh. Next question we have is question number 22. In which of the following peasants uprising Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel took part? The options are Eka movement, Tibhaga movement, Kisan Sabha, or Bardoli Satyagrah. And the correct answer for this question is option number 4, that is Bardoli Satyagrah. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel took part in Bardoli Satyagrah, which was held in 1928, and it was a part of civil disobedience movement, and it was held in Gujarat, which was led by Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question we have is question number 23, that is rotavirus vaccine is used to prevent which disease? And we have the options like polio, AIDS, diarrhea and hepatitis. And the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is AIDS. Rotavirus vaccine is used to protect against the rotavirus infection, which is usually used to treat AIDS. Next question we have is question number 24, that is tiger belongs to which category under IUCN? And the option we have are endangered, critically endangered, extinct, or vulnerable. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is the tigers are in the category of endangered species of IUCN's red list. They are in endangered list since 1986. Next question we have the last question but not the least. We have 25th question. Which of the following department publishes index of industrial production? And the options we have is Central Statistics Office, National Sample Survey Organization, Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, or the Labor Bureau. And the option here, answer correct we have is CSO, that is Central Statistical Office. It was during that year, but now these two organizations are merged and they are merged to form NSO, that is National Statistical Office. They do not exist now separately. That year in the year which this question is asked, that time these were two different organizations, but now since 2019 they are merged and they are merged to form NSO, that is National Statistical Office. So with this our today's session is complete. If you like the session, do subscribe our channel and like, and do comment how you like the session, and also you can comment what you want next from our videos, and please remember to share, also support us. Thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you.